We started off probably a few years ago just brainstorming ideas, and we're like, let's build a submarine.
This is Joseph Cassidy and Andrew Muterspa.
Hey.
For the past few months, they have been working together to build a submarine.
So what we had to do is fill this tank up with water so that we didn't blow ourselves up with any propane residue inside the tank. So we filled it up with water, and then we started actually cutting this front end to open this front hemisphere off of it so we could section it off for the ballast tank. And so we used to have a huge frame up here to lift this up so we could cut the bottom. Then the neighbors got super mad at us and told us to take it down. So now we have to cut this area out. We just want to get and we want to open the tank up and kind of see what we're dealing with.
So we're actually putting the motors right here on the right and left so we can control them, and then we're going to run them through the ballast tank and then run them through the top of this, because preferably we only have to fill up the ballast tanks about 3/4 of the way and leave the rest of air so we have more control of it. And then we're going to run those in to hook up to the batteries, which is going to run off a 24-volt system.
It may seem like the boys have a lot of things planned out, but in reality,
We're still kind of just figuring things out as we go, but that's just kind of how we operate.
the boys are first going to test out the boat with a remote control, but then they do have a plan on driving the boats manually by themselves.
As we know it's safe, yes, I'm going to be on the inside of it. Yeah. We got the trailer in December, got the tank 2 weekends ago, so this is when we can start picking up the project, because now we actually have the physical tank, so we can take dimensions and actually measure and start installing everything. So we're planning on doing a lot more over spring break, which is this upcoming week, and we're hoping to get this done by summertime so we can do a road trip down to the ocean.